Hello, everybody. It is Barbara Campbell, independent digital music creator, artist here from Brooklyn, New York. And I'm about to get ready to do a new song, and it's BC Original Rehearsal. Join me at my rehearsal as I'm getting ready to sing and perform a new song. The process is just a time of capturing moments and putting in a time capsule. We have been so disrupted over the years, and we're dealing with the pandemic, and now we are in another wave, the Delta. And the most important thing is that when you are just against the odds, get down on your knees and pray to your higher spirit. And I'm praying to the Lord today. And this is my letter to the Lord, to my higher spirit, to those above, my angels. All right, everybody. Till then, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn, and I'll see you at BC Original Rehearsal. Be live on air on Barbara Campbell Television. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our website. And stay tuned. Some new merchandise are up ahead, so you can shop and support me as an independent digital music artist creator. All right, everybody. Till then, you count your man. Stay in Brooklyn. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye-bye.